Today we are going to talk about make set in KQL, which is used in conjunction with summarize operator, and as an output it provides a unique setup array of the given columns inside it, and this operator can be used along with various columns and functions, and we will see the different ways to use make set today. So let us start with typing SigninLogs, and we will write summarize, and we will type in make set, and the way the keyword is termed, it is make underscore set, and as you can see it takes an expression. So what we would do is we would mention user principal name as an expression inside it and close the bracket. Now, just to make sure we get a bit more result, we will go back in last 7 days to make sure that our results are really meaningful, and we will run the query. And once the query completes successfully, right, what we would see is as a result, all the usernames for last 7 days combined into a particular array. So right now we see in 2. Now, if we want to apply a limit on how many we want to see, we can also specify that using another parameter and mentioning it with a numerical value. Otherwise, it goes to a default big size. So let us run the command once again here. And as a result, we would see it's only 1 because we have limited the result. Now, just to look at our next example, we would take out the default sizing and we would mention by, and we would say response or I would say result type in this case, result type. So basically it will be clubbing all the users based on the result type, and when we run the query, the result we see is basically for each kind of result. So maybe 0, as we know, it's a success, and the other one is one of the failures. So it basically clubs based on the result type. Now, if we want to apply the same thing with another column, so the column we would say comma and space, and we would try to use AppDisplayName. And once we run this query, what happens is, as a result, right, it will show us the summarization, and it will make a set for each result type with each app display on a group of users, right? That was around multiple columns. Now, alongside multiple columns, if we really want to group it by any kind of function, right? For example, we will take bin function and we type in time generated as a value and try to summarize by 1 day, so that it basically kind of summarizes for each day. And then I would just correct the typo over here by making it the right spelling. And once we type in this query, right, basically the result will show in a group of 1 day or 24 hours with each error code separated. And it can be extended to many columns like this, right? Sort order is undefined in this case.